My name is Lora Oehlberg. I'm an associate professor of computer science. When I teach courses, I tend to teach upper-level human-computer interaction design courses, and often these are courses that are studio-based. This is the seminar room and the space where we're often teaching studio-based courses, and every time you end class, it's this rich space full of sketches and ideas, and unless you take pictures, that will all be lost. I came back from parental leave in January 2021, so pandemic was sort of already in progress. From some colleagues in the interactions lab who'd been working on projects in a distributed format before. They had used Miro in the past and recommended it as a way to do sort of collective brainstorming online. Miro is an online collaborative whiteboard web-based software. Much like a studio course, I am able to sort of start with slides, but at some point we sort of diverge and do synchronous activities as a group. Looking at Miro with new eyes at the end of the class because they see it as an interaction designer would, which is lovely. As someone who teaches interaction design, it's lovely to see that. So each of them had their own workspace, which is sort of analogous to the desk in front of you or the whiteboard in front of you where you're supposed to do the activity. The comments that you end up seeing are not necessarily from that student, but it's from all of the other students in that group who are providing feedback, providing comments. But I actually got a lot of really good response from my students on the effectiveness of Miro, and they were telling me that this is actually one of the more engaging courses they were doing online because they were participating in this sort of infinite canvas space.